Before you try to tackle your taxes alone this year, stop for a second because most people get Keeper Tax wrong. The surprising truth is that this app isn't just another tax tracker. It's an AI-powered assistant designed specifically for freelancers, gig workers, and self-employed people to automatically find deductible expenses. Keeper Tax scans your bank and credit accounts for purchases that could be tax deductible. You won't believe what happens next when users realize they've been missing hundreds or even thousands of dollars in potential deductions every year. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume all tax deduction apps work the same way. Keeper Tax doesn't just categorize transactions, it actively recommends deductions, tracks mileage, and can even help you prepare for quarterly taxes. Getting started is simple. Sign up, link your bank and credit accounts, and the app begins scanning your transactions. Each purchase is flagged as either personal or business related, and Keeper Tax provides a running list of potential deductions. For example, that $50 monthly subscription to a design tool or that $200 purchase for work supplies. Keeper Tax can spot it automatically. The upside is clear. You save time, reduce stress, and often save money by capturing deductions you might miss manually. Many users report saving hundreds of dollars each quarter just by using Keeper Tax. The downside is cost. Keeper Tax charges a monthly subscription, and while it may pay for itself through savings, it's an extra expense some freelancers may hesitate to commit to. Also, it's most effective for people with frequent business expenses. If your deductions are minimal, the value may be limited. The surprising truth about Keeper Tax is that it works best for active freelancers and side hustlers with recurring expenses. The AI automation is powerful, but you still need to review and approve the deductions before filing your taxes. If this honest review helped you understand Keeper Tax, subscribe for more tips and tools to make freelancing and self-employment easier.